from New Jersey. These people are going to be taken out for days. Oh my God. It's pretty. But this is some deep shit. Can't even see that part out. Let me take myself back in the bed. Like, come out later. Okay, bye.